వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం. సవై పుంసాం పరో ధర్మో యతో భక్తిరధోక్షజ అహైతుక్యా ప్రతిహత యయాత్మా సుప్రసీదతి. ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయ చక్షురున్మీలితం येन తస్మై శ్రీగురవే నమః. సవై పుంసాం పరో ధర్మో యతో భక్తిరధోక్షజ అహైతుకీయ ప్రతిహత యయాత్మా సుప్రసీదతి. Because we are not feeling sense of belonging, satisfaction of heart is not there. Therefore, we are trying to fill that vacuum with so many extraneous things, unwanted things. I want to buy cars, I want to get women, I want to get wealth, I want to get Janmaishwarya Surtasri Viredamanapuman. Just like children, when you properly loved, they don't need any single toy also. I saw in my life. I know this because I am training my child, who I am giving training. I raise them. I am raising him without these things. My wife will encourage so many ties to my child, but in the case of me, I raise him without a single tie. Their only tie is the Hare Krishna Japmala. No ties from childhood. But my wife encourages so many ties. They don't see a single tie. How is it possible? Because they feel so much satisfaction. They are not looking for any gifts. For them, Krishna consciousness itself is the games in the positive sense. I mean to say, he enjoyed Krishna consciousness so much. He asked so many questions on Krishna consciousness, about Krishna and about Prabhupada. He enjoyed dancing, chanting, playing harmonium, playing mridangam, taking prasadam, and sometimes fighting with me also. That is also there, acceptable. We are all fighting. Why don't he fight? He will also fight. I don't get alarmed. I try to give him a genuine feeling of love. I engage him in all sorts of works. I give him service. When do the service, he is very happy. I know some children very adamant boy. He was very silly boy up to the age of 3. Today he is one of the best boy at the age of 6. Absolutely well behaved. But some adamant is there now also, because he was so much love. So we have walked so through Krishna's family, and because of walk so through way Krishna's family, in our consciousness, nobody should walk away. Everything is Krishna's family. We can't really go away, but consciousness, we walked through away from Krishna family, and Krishna is making all kinds of arrangements to pick up us back. But we are thinking that I am doing the arrangements. Why somebody is helping me? One boy, he became very upset with the mother. He ran away from the house without even taking food. He ran away, and his mother pleaded with him, at least eat and go. Play with the children, you can do whatever you want. At least eat and go. The boy said no. The boy went. This time he would really serious. He would not come back to the house. After some time, night came, darkness. He is getting afraid whether to go back home, that is too low with false ego. To go back to the house, he started looking for, and he found some hotel. He went to the hotel keeper. He said, I need a place to stay. Then the hotel keeper, please come, this is the place for you. He treated him with great respect and love and all these things, gave him a beautiful room with all facilities and nice food and take rest. The boy started thinking, what is the need for mother? I am getting everything without her anyway. Anyway, I go back to her. I beg for forgiveness. No need for forgiveness. I am getting everything anyway. Later on, struck him. Maybe I should ask the hotel man, why is he so kind to me? Because generally a stranger is not so kind. Give me some help. They will not kind to give you free room, nice prasadam and special care. So he went and asked the hotel man, please, what is the secret? Why are you treating me with so much eagerness? So the hotel man replied, before you came here, your mother came here and take me rupees 500 to take care of you nicely. So I am therefore taking care of you. This is what is happening. Krishna, we can't run, we run away from him. He will, our relationship with him, he knows it, we have forgotten him. He is making all kinds of arrangements, somehow recover us. But we think, this boss is helping me, my father and my mother is helping me, this wife is helping me, the bank balance is helping me. Bank balance means what? Is also Krishna's property, that we are forgetting. But we think, I saved money or my father saved money, but we forget the Supreme Father. The Jiva by nature is Prakriti. Aparayam itasvayam prakriti vidyame param jivabhotam mahabaho edam dharyate jagat. Our constitutional nature is that we are all wives of Krishna. We are all ultimately, Krishna is the only Purusha. Everybody is his Prakriti. And specifically, we are all wives in broad sense, not in a rasa sense. Rasa sense, we are different rasas. Santa rasa, Sakya rasa, Vachalya rasa, Madhurya rasa, Dasi rasa, like that. Different rasas. We have different rasas. Some are in conjugal rasa, some are in Vachalya rasa and so on. But in a broad sense, every jiva is eternally married to Krishna. This is the fact. So now, what is the intimacy that the wife has towards the husband? Complete chastity. The wife would cook very nice prasadam, offer to the husband. In this case, the husband is Supreme Lord, he accepts it, and then he distributes the prasadam to all other living entities. This is the intimacy. So the intimacy is that you should enable all living entities to come to Krishna by your good behavior, by your good qualities, by your exemplification of how satisfied you are. That is the example. Example is not superficial. The example is to show how a wife is truly satisfied is the eternal husband. So the easiest way to please Krishna is to always be happy. If your husband is there, he is coming home after work, you are sick face, you are looking unhappy. sitting like this. What is wrong with you? I don't want to talk to you. Everything is wrong here. Nothing is right. It is not pleasing to Krishna. I will discuss this next episode. श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, श्री प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंद, हरि हरि बोल, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण।